You'll need 1 pound of skinless chicken, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cans, 10 ounces, diced tomatoes with green chilies, undrained, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup of corn, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And for garnishing, you will need a handful of fresh cilantro, chopped green onions, or even a squeeze of lime can take your soup to the next level. To begin, warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add in the finely chopped large onion, allowing it to soften for approximately 5 minutes. Follow this up by incorporating 2 cloves of minced garlic, allowing it to sauté for an additional minute until its tantalizing aroma permeates the air. Next, place the 2 chicken breasts into the pot. Pour in 1 liter of chicken broth, ensuring the chicken is fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for around 20 minutes. This duration is adequate for the chicken to cook thoroughly. Once cooked, extract the chicken breasts from the pot and shred them using 2 forks. After shredding, reincorporate the chicken back into the pot. Now it's time to introduce more flavors. Mix in the diced tomatoes with green chilies, black beans, half a cup of corn, and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning mix. Allow the blend to simmer for about 10 minutes. This will ensure all those wonderful flavors combine just right. Now lower the heat to a minimal and gently mix in a cup of heavy cream and 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Keep stirring until all of the cheese has melted and the soup has a creamy texture. For that added flavor, stir in half a teaspoon of both salt and pepper, or adjust to your taste. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish each with 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, 5 thin avocado slices, a handful of tortilla strips, and a squeeze of half a lime juice if desired. A few tips to keep in mind. For a quicker version, use a cup of pre-cooked shredded chicken or rotisserie chicken. Add it in with the 2 cans of tomatoes and beans. If you prefer a milder soup, use 2 cans of plain diced tomatoes without green chilies. For an even creamier soup, add a block of cream cheese, around 8 ounces, along with heavy cream. And feel free to add other veggies like bell peppers or zucchini for added nutrition and flavor. There you have it, a perfect creamy chicken taco soup to warm your belly and light up your day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please show some love by liking and subscribing to Magnolia Moon. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. Until next time, keep those pots simmering and those taste buds tingling.